Hello students, my name is Teacher Alex. It's really nice to meet you. Welcome to the first English pronunciation lesson for grade 7 with FutureLang. I'll be with you in this course and will support you in bettering your pronunciation and English speaking skills. Today we'll start with the sound and as in answer and bird. First, let's look at the sound as in answer. To make this sound, relax your mouth and lips and lower your jaw. Like this. Now you try it. Remember, this is a short sound. Did you get this sound right? I believe you did. Now, let's practice this sound together. Are you ready? Let's go. Answer. Have you got the answer to the question yet? You try reading that sentence. Singer. My dream is to become a singer. Common. We share a common interest in music. Away. He's the one that got away. Well done, everyone. Let's move on to the vowel sound, as in bird. To produce the sound, your mouth is open but not very wide. Your tongue is raised at the back. Your lips are a little bit forward. Can you see that this is a long sound? Are you ready to practice this sound? Let's start. Bird. Bird. I'd love to go bird watching this weekend. Hurt. Ow! Hurt. Be careful, it may hurt you. Prefer. Prefer. Which do you prefer? Tea or coffee? Birth. When's your birthday? Brilliant work today. I'm so impressed with your hard work in this lesson. Are you now more confident with the two sounds and Keep practicing and reviewing the lesson to perfect your pronunciation. You did such a good job today. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.